to Mimisworld. Today I'm going to be doing a video on how to contour and how I like to contour. Hopefully it's really quick and easy for you. I'll also include my blusher, concealing under eyes and highlighting, so I hope you like. So the first product I am using is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick in Truffle. I used this in my last full face and eyes video. It's a really good product. I've had this ages and there's still loads of it left. So far on my face I have got the Primark strobing highlighting cream in champagne. I've also got MAC Face and Body in N2. It's just like that. So I've not set my makeup, I've not done anything like that. I've just done my eyes and my brows, and I've got a little bit of lip balm on. What I'm going to do is take 3 down the side. 1, 2, 3. 1, that's it. And then 1 underneath. And then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You can go under your lip and stuff, but like I said, I'm just doing a really quick easy one today. I'm using a brush that is quite dense. It is also a straight brush, so it's not like, say, like fluffy. It's quite dense, so whereas that's quite fluffy, this isn't. So I'm going to start here. Circular motions, and just blend it out. And you can bring the colour, bring the contour to where your pupil is, and then brush it up. So the reason that you want to only put 3 and 3 is because then if you want it a little bit more, you can build it up. So I like a lot of contour on my cheeks. So with makeup you always want to layer products, so that's why I go for 3 and then I put more on. This product is great because it doesn't dry instantly, but when it does dry, it dries lovely. It doesn't, I don't think it leaves you muddy. You don't want like a muddy contour. I think it's quite nice. As you can see, anything that's left on the brush, I just take it along my chin. With regards to your nose, I'm going in with a Real Techniques domed shadow brush, and I am just going up and down motions, and then you want to make sure that you take it into the eye. What I'm then going to go in with is my Hoola bronzer, and I am going to take it on a Real Techniques essential brush, I think it is. Just kind of get it on the tip. So then go in with a big fluffy brush. This is a Bare Minerals brush, and just blend in where you put that line essentially. I'm going to go in with bronzer, and I'm using my Bare Minerals bronzer. My Bare Minerals bronzer in Warmth. Take it just across your nose, where if you were outside you would get a bit of like a bit of a glow, a bit of the sun. The concealer that I'm using today is the Revolution Concealer Cushion Stick in Light, and I'm just going to put one dot there, using a big brush, well, an eye brush essentially, and just like that. I'm going to use a dual fibre brush today with California by Benefit. So it's a really nice kind of corally colour. Just get a bit of on your brush. I like to bring it up only ever so slightly, kind of to the tail of my brows. Like so. I've just gone in with a brush that has some of the product for my eyes, just to kind of make sure that it all kind of blends. I am going to go in with a Technic highlighter, and I'm going to go in with my skinny dip brush. Just down my nose, above my eyebrows, and I'm also going to go above my lip. Hi, thanks for watching. So this is the end of the video. I have just put on a bright red lip. It is the MAC Quite the Standout liquid lip that I've put on today. I hope you like this look. If you do, obviously please like and subscribe. It is a really quick video. I will, if you want me to kind of do a bit more of an extreme contour highlight video, please let me know. But I thought I'd do kind of quite a nice wearable, easy look for you to try. And yeah, I hope you like it. Alright then, bye beautiful people.